guys, welcome to Tech Approved. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install SCP Toolkit. SCP Toolkit is a software that allows you to use a PS3 or a PS4 controller on your Windows PC with unsupported games. So basically what you want to do is you just want to open up your preferred browser on your Windows PC. Then you want to go into Google and you want to type SCP Toolkit, and I already have it here, and then you want to click the first one that comes up, sourceforge.net, and then you should see a download button here. Click the download button, and then you just have to give it 5 seconds to come up, and then it should start downloading. And I'm just gonna click save, and then you just want to left click over here, and then it's gonna check for any newer versions, and then it'll come up with the smaller window, and it will say where you want to download it. So I'm gonna use the default, or you could click over here to change where you want to download it, and then you just want to say I agree to the license terms and conditions. Over here you can download the core features, which is just for the notifications, though you don't really need to download testing and troubleshooting, and you don't need to download Bluetooth pair if you don't need that, and that's really it. So I'm just gonna install it, and then you can start installing it. This will probably take some time, so I'm just gonna skip through this part and come back when it's done. Now that it's finished installing, you just want to click Run Driver Installer, and you want to allow that, and then you can close the tab that you have open in the background. Then you should see this, and you can go ahead and delete all of these things on the side, and just delete those. Now I'm going to be using a DualShock 3 controller for today's video, but you can also use this for a DualShock 4 controller. So then you just want to select the one that you want. Now you can just open this over here, and then you want to choose which one you want. So I haven't plugged in my controller yet, so when you want to set this up, just get your controller, plug it into your PC, and then after that you should notice that this should come up and it should detect it, and then you can just click this again and it should show up over here as a PS3 controller. If it doesn't show up, what I'd recommend is to close this and then open it again. So you can just search for SCP Toolkit driver installer, and then you want to allow that to run. Then you just go over here, and if you want to use Bluetooth, you can also use Bluetooth with it, but you need a Bluetooth dongle. So I'd recommend it's much easier to use a wire, and it works quite well. So then I can just go here, and now you can see that my controller is coming up. So I want to select my controller, press install, and it will start running the service. And basically how this works is it basically tells your computer that you're using a Xbox 360 controller. So your buttons are like an Xbox 360 controller, but you'll be able to use your PS3 controller. So now that you can see it's done, you can just go ahead and close this, and basically you'll always have this little software running in the background, and I've noticed it doesn't take up too many resources, so I leave it running all the time. And then if you go over here, you can test it, and you should be able to move around Windows settings and go around like this. And that's basically it. That's how you guys can use a PS3 or PS4 controller on your Windows PC. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, that's it.